Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these items with you because you know what? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Trust me, I won't sing anymore. Okay, here we go. Boom, a Merry Fold It, which is perfect. And I planned this, but I didn't really plan it officially to go with our Merry Christmas and Holidays because you already have the Happy Holidays. So now you can do a big Merry and a Christmas. You could do the Merry Christmas separate. You could do Happy Holidays, but here's the Merry. You could add the Christmas if you wanted to. Now back to the Merry because it does have the stitch marks, optional. Yes, you don't have to use the stitch marks if you don't want to, but you can if you want to. So much fun. So then we have the Merry Christmas and then the Holidays where you would add the Happy that you already purchased. And our little peeps loved dressing up for Halloween so much that they wanted to dress up like Santa and Mrs. Claus. So we now have a stamp and die set for them and for some clothes. We have a cute little Santa hat and a Mrs. Claus hat. Santa Claus is coming to town. Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas or wishing you a Merry Little Christmas. A cute little beard, some extra candy canes, some little holly, and of course, yes, there are dies to match. I cannot wait to jump into these samples because they are oh so cute. But first, we all need to know the reason for the season, right? Baby Jesus on there. Look how cute that is. Merry Christmas with our cute little baby Jesus. Love that little critter. Here we go. Here's another one, Merry and Bright. No one said Christmas had to be green and red. Right? I love it. I love it. Here's another one, green with that fun stitching down the center of each letter. Optional, of course, but so fun. Here's a cute one, pink again. Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. Here's one, Merry and Bright. Now, the nice thing about these fold-its, the word fold-its, is they can be a fold-it, a shaped card, or you could use the words on the front of a card as well, right? For example, boom, look at that. This is the front of a card, just a regular card with the word Merry and that little E is off-centered on purpose. Isn't that adorable? I think that's so cute. So you have different options with it, which I love to do because I always want to make sure you're going to use it for other things. So how perfect, you could do it this way or you could do it this way. Two different options there. Isn't that fun? Now let's jump in and look at some other items. Here we have that cute little Merry with our cute little polar bear with some presents. Christmas on the inside. Oh, here's our pull-up card. You know I love my pull-up cards. Are you ready? Pull this up. Merry Christmas with our fun wreath. I love that wreath. So fun. Or pink, green, and purple if you do so want. I love it. And here's a gorgeous one with the foil paper. I love that foil paper, you guys. It is so gorgeous. Look at that, Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of year. I love that. That's from the Cheerful Merry Christmas. No, I'm sorry, this is the Cheerful Merry Christmas. Love that. Now, oh, or if you'd prefer, you could also say Happy Holidays. Some people you might want to say Happy Holidays too. Here's another one, Happy Holidays. Absolutely love it. Now here's a cute one using both options. Merry Christmas and our cute little Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. Aren't they adorable? Here's another one using the milk and cookie fold it and the cookies to stamp dies. So cute. Wishing you a yummy holiday season. Santa Claus. Isn't that cute? I so love it. Or, oh my goodness, look at this one. Liam dressed up as Santa Claus. Oh, and you can also use the hair from the elf, right? So if you want Mrs. Claus to have different hair, you can give her hair from the elf. So adorable. And just a trick. You want me to tell you something? Just a trick. If you don't want her hair to show, like if you're using Kirsten and you don't want her hair to show, use one of the boys that has smaller hair and then you could just add the elf hair on top. Look how cute this is, you guys. The little wash line, I absolutely love that. That's so cute. Or you don't have to do the people, you could do the animals. The animals can be Mr. and Mrs. Claus. And here's a cute one with the little elf So fun with our double Z card. We got our little elf, Mr. and Mrs. Claus, Merry Christmas to you. And on the back, it's even decorated. So much fun. Cheryl made this one because it has a lot of 3D ink, I can tell. Yep, I was right. Club members, I'm preaching to the choir. I know you know you're getting a 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website. So awesome. And if you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Can you believe that? How do we do that? I don't know. I don't know how we do that, but we do it anyway. So much fun. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club. Just watch the video. Just listen to the whole overview. Find out the information. You never know. You might want to join. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.